Assalamualaikum. Today we are making spicy moong dal rice. Take a pan and add half cup of oil. Add one onion and fry it until it turns golden. Now add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 4 to 5 green chilies, 1 small tomato, 1 tablespoon of whole garam masala, salt up to taste, 1 teaspoon of crushed chilies. Now mix it gently. Add 1 cup of water. And let it boil. Now add half cup of soaked moong dal. Cover it with a lid and boil it for 2 minutes. Uncover and add 1 cup of soaked rice and then again cover it and let it cook for 5 minutes. Now remove the lid. Now reduce the flame and cover it again. Let it cook on the low flame for 5 more minutes. After 5 minutes, remove the lid. Our spicy moong dal rice is ready. Serve hot.